CETAPHIL Body Moisturizing Cream for dry to very dry skin, instantly replenishes, intensely nourishes and soothes skin dryness for 48 hours. Clinically proven to restore skin's moisture barrier in 1 week, binds water to the skin, preventing moisture loss to hydrate and protect skin from dryness. New and improved ingredient blend, now with hydrating glycerin and skin essential vitamins B5, panthenol, and B3, niacinamide. Developed for even the most sensitive skin, the hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic formula is free of fragrances, parabens and sulfates. From the #1 doctor-recommended sensitive skincare brand. Care for your dry to very dry skin with CETAPHIL Moisturizing Cream, a non-greasy, moisture-rich cream for the whole body. Enriched with sweet almond oil and vitamin E, it immediately comforts and instantly hydrates dry, sensitive skin. Formulated with a new blend of key ingredients, hydrating glycerin, panthenol, vitamin B5, to hydrate, soothe and preserve the skin barrier, and niacinamide, vitamin B3, to help smooth skin texture and retain skin moisture barrier. For long-lasting hydration, this extra-strength moisturizer binds water to the skin to deeply replenish the skin's moisture and prevent moisture loss, hydrating and soothing skin's dryness for 48 hours and completely restoring the skin's moisture barrier in 1 week. Ideal for very dry areas of skin on the hands, feet, elbows and knees, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth and nourished. This fragrance-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free formula will not clog pores and is clinically tested for even the most gentle skin. Effectively defends against 5 signs of skin sensitivity. Top reviews from the United States. A dermatologist nurse once told me. Hey, dermatologist nurse once told me, if you want yo have skin as soft as a baby's bottom for the rest of your life, use this. I do. And it is. I have had crazy sensitive skin since birth. I even wash my skivvies with baby wash. This crescent on my whole body after debris she wear nightly on face, arms and eye privates, it's the best.